Business First Look, brought to you by Southern Colorado Business Forum and Digest.
Good morning. Welcome to Business First Look here on KKTV. I'm your host, Dirk Hobbs. I have the privilege of sitting with our district attorney for the 4th Judicial District here in Colorado, Michael Allen. Welcome to the program, sir.
Thank you for having me here, Dirk. It's a pleasure.
Absolutely. Well, I want to draw a straight line for the people out there listening to this between business prosperity and law and order, and how a district attorney's office plays a role in recruitment and retention of businesses here in the region.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm glad you're asking me those questions. You know, it's important to think about when businesses are thinking about either expanding their operations in a city or they're trying to think about moving into a new city. They look at public safety. They want to know, are the schools good? Are the police departments doing the jobs that they're supposed to be doing? And then ultimately, is the DA doing the things that they should be doing to hold public safety in high regard? And we're doing that at a high level down here in the 4th Judicial District, by the way, which is El Paso and Tulare counties.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, experience matters. I mean, this is a big platform for you guys coming into the election season. So, what's the differentiation there? I mean, how do you explain experience matters to the average business owner?
Yeah. If you just look at any sort of venture in life, you don't just hire somebody straight off the street and put them at the top position in an office, right? Same thing with the district attorney's office. I've got 20 years of experience prosecuting cases from the lowest level cases all the way up to murder. In fact, I've never lost a murder case. I think that's important for people to know for my campaign. And then running a big office is important. We've got 92 attorneys in the office. I call it the biggest law firm in Southern Colorado, actually.
Very good.
And it takes a lot to know how that operation should work, how to be fiscally responsible with the money that the taxpayers give us to run the office, and then putting out a good product, meaning that we're getting convictions on people that deserve to be convicted.
Very good. And the relationship between district attorney's office and police, you guys work together to solve the crimes. Law and order as it relates to a business owner. So again, recruitment and retention of businesses. When an employer sees an organization like yours, the DA's office, that's effectively prosecuting cases and holding people accountable for misbehavior, I mean, that's a confidence builder in business owners.
It should be a confidence builder in business owners. You know, ultimately, they probably got family members that are living in the community. They've got employees that are living in the community, and then they're trying to conduct business in the community. They want to know that the DA's office knows what they're doing, knows how to get convictions in cases that affect their business and their livelihoods, and we do that in this office like no other office in the state.
No doubt about it. And speaking of that, I mean, to the north of us, even in Denver, communities like Portland have really faced a tremendous economic impact with a lax DA's office.
Actually, if you look just at San Francisco, they put in somebody that had zero experience prosecution, had a very criminal justice reform mind that they took to the job, and they ended up firing that guy. They actually did a recall on him to get rid of him because it was so bad, even for San Francisco standards.
Right.
We have the benefit of having really strong relationships, as you mentioned, with our law enforcement partners. We work really closely with them to both solve crime and then get convictions in the courtroom, and that's a really important aspect of this job.
Very good. Well, how do folks get in touch with your campaign, get to know you and how your philosophical doctrine and how you view this job?
Yeah, well, thanks. First and foremost, you can go to my webpage, which is michaelallen4da.com. You can find out all kinds of stuff in there. You can even sign up for emails. You can also check me out on Facebook. We've got a campaign Facebook page, Twitter, all those, I guess X now. All those things are active. You can sign up for email updates and find out what we're doing. We're doing some voter outreach. In fact, every weekend we're going and knocking on doors. So love to get people to help on that too.
Very good. November 5th is the election. Michael Allen, District Attorney today, 4th Judicial District, coming up here in November 5th. We'll see you next time on Business First Look.
This has been Business First Look with host Dirk Hobbs, brought to you by Southern Colorado Business Forum and Digest.